do 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 dun 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 dun. Today we are making the Hawkeye Quiver from the TV series. Let's go. Remember that you can get all the patterns from my projects on my website, link in the description down below. You can also get those same patterns on the month they're released on my Patreon, so have a look at that. I used a 5 to 6 ounce Vegetan for this project. I'd be willing to go a little thicker than that, but definitely not thinner. I used a number 3 beveler for pretty much everything. I love Tokonole for my edges. You can use beeswax if you want to. In a few of my recent videos, I was trying to use an airbrush cut 50-50 with water and acrylic Resolene for my finishes. Don't like it. Went back to this paint spray gun. Better surface area. 100% acrylic Resolene. Don't cut it with anything. Works great. On almost all my videos, I will hand stitch everything together because I want people watching the video to realize that they can do it and see how it's done exactly. So I punched all these holes and then realized that I was running out of time and decided to just sew it with the machine. Really, there's probably a better use of my time than hand stitching stuff together, so I'll probably be using those sewing machines more often. So all of these little oblong holes are 3/16 inch, so obviously I'm using 3/16 inch flat lace. I'm not sure if the holes were oblong on the actual quiver. I need better detail shots to be sure. So you can pick either an oblong punch or just a regular round 3/16 drive punch. So I'm stitching it together like this because it's easier. Don't stitch it too tight. Just get everything done up, and then you can do this, and it will butt together nicely. Same thing goes for this part. There's some box stitching here, so all these punches are done on an angle, so you can angle through and then go out the other side of the bottom of the quiver. Like so. This pattern, like always, will be on sale at a discount price for 24 hours following the release of this video, so make sure you have your notifications turned on. I'm just using this large awl to help me find the Chicago screws. That's about it. I'm gluing this after the Chicago screws have already been put in, because if you glue it before that, the chances of your Chicago screws lining up perfectly become a lot less certain. So I just did it this way, a little convoluted. That's also where I was roughing up the leather earlier to help the glue take hold. So I've never done anything like this part before, and it shows. That's way too watered down. I do like the timing on the epic music. Oh, that's no good. Yeah, that'll buff right out. But never one to back down from a challenge. I got my Goo Gone out and started working my way on all the glue bits and painting up a storm using black, white, gray, as well as some black markers to save this logo from disaster. When designing the strap, I wanted it to be mounted to the Chicago screws because on all the pictures I've seen of this project, sometimes the strap's not on it, and when the strap is on it, you can't even tell what the strap looks like. So this is being done to make sure that in the future, if there's some nice pictures of the strap, it can be replaced.
I put another video right up here for you guys. Make sure you have a look. Obviously, if you want to help support this channel, the like button costs nothing. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do. I don't know how close that was, but it was fucking amazing.